Hi, I'm Nick Schweitzer. Welcome to Paint Fantastic Scenes with Nick. Today we are hydro dipping Christmas ornaments. These Christmas bulbs that I bought at Walmart, they were originally clear glass bulbs that I primed white and taped to these dowel rods to make it easy to dip into the water and hydro dip them in silver and gold. When I recorded this video, I accidentally had my GoPro set on time lapse, so that footage is not synced with the footage I shot on my iPhone, but I included it anyway so you can see what's going on, but just in fast motion. If you like this video, please give it a like and share it. And if this is your first time here, please subscribe to my channel and click the bell notification icon so you're notified every time I upload a brand new video. And if you are a subscriber, welcome back. How are you? Let's get started. What I have here today is just a regular 5-gallon bucket that I filled with warm water. I'm using the bucket today instead of one of my larger totes because of the size of the ornament. They're pretty small, so we don't need something very large. I want to save some water. So, warm water, a bucket, the ornaments. I do have a 2x4 that I've drilled holes in, so when I am done dipping the ornament, I can set it in there so it dries. So it's I'm not sitting on the ground and messing up the cool hydro dip paint job. So you want to keep that in mind and make one for yourself so you have some place to put your ornaments. Also, I have my mask. I am going to wear my mask today. I've made other hydro dip videos where I don't, and the spray paint, it gets in my nose and stuff like that. It's not cool. I am inside the garage today because it is raining outside. So if you paint inside, have a ventilation fan. I have one downstairs, but I really recommend being outside if you can. So I have my garage door open and it'll ventilate real nicely. I also have my black gloves. You can wear any kind of latex, nitrile, powder-free gloves, whatever works for you. So I definitely recommend that because when I hydro dip, I do get my hands into the water, into the paint, and it gets on my hands, and I don't like that, so I wear the gloves for that reason. So let's get started. Got the silver and gold and silver. Let's start with silver. Spray it on the surface of the water. I'm gonna put my mask on because you can see what's happening on the GoPro there in the water. So here we go. You can do any colors you want. It doesn't even have to be Christmassy. All right, very nice. Beautiful hydro dip Christmas ornament. That's pretty awesome. Silver and gold, gold and silver, gold and silver, silver and gold. Put in my 2x4 here. Let's do another. This is so much fun. Hope y'all try it. Make a whole set of these for your Christmas tree. Alright. Very nice. Very, very nice. Okay, I got 3 more. Using my stirrer here to get excess paint out of the water. Okay. Use the end here to some kind of. Boy, I should have worn safety glasses. I just got some spray paint in my eyes. So I recommend safety glasses too. So next time I do hydro dipping, I'm gonna wear some safety glasses. I mean, it might get inside it, but it'll keep it from getting directly in my eyes. So. That's more silver than gold. Ooh, it's gold over there. Got some gold and silver. So I got my umbrella lights in here, but it's so gloomy outside. I hope you can all see that in the light. So, okay, we got 2 more. Let's go. Got a good galaxy swirl pattern there. That was pretty neat. Yeah, I'm just re-dipping it. You can do that. I'm picking back this paint. I got a glob there, but. Rub the glob right off. That's cool. I've not done that before. Good to know. Alright. Put this one in, and we got 1 more. I know Christmas is a little ways away, but I want to get these done. I got so many projects I'm working on. Good to just go ahead and do them and get them done. So, last one. Starting with the gold first. Yeah, that's pretty neat. Okay. Just unwrap the tape from the ornaments when you're done, insert the hooks, and you're good to go. Try not to break any. I hope you like this video, and I hope you try hydro dipping ornaments. So if you like what you see, let me know in the comments. Let me know if you tried it and how your hydro dipped ornaments turned out. I'd really like to know. Take care. Thanks for tuning in. Have a great day. Peace. So right here I'm just priming the necks of the bulbs because they didn't get covered too well when the bulbs were standing upright on the dowel rods. So let me give you a little bit more of an explanation of how I attached the bulbs, the Christmas bulbs, to the dowel rod so I could dip them into the bucket. Basically all I did, I took a dowel rod and I inserted it inside the Christmas bulb, and I used painter's tape to tape around the neck of the bulb right here so that it would stay attached to the dowel rod and not slip off when I dipped it into the water. So hydro dipping ornaments was a lot of fun. I am going to do some more. I bought some more clear glass bulbs. I'm going to try to dip them in other colors such as silver and red. Rustoleum also makes a glitter spray paint, so I thought that'd be cool to get some glittery silver and gold, or maybe even some glittery red or green, and try that. On my next attempt, I'm not going to prime the glass bulbs white. I'm just going to sand them with a coarse sandpaper and just dip the clear glass bulbs into the paint, and that should turn out really well. Only because when I primed the bulbs white, I got some wrinkling, which you can see in the end of the video. So yeah, look for that. I do plan on doing an additional video with more hydro dipped ornaments with the glittery paint, so I'll have to go to Walmart and get some more Rustoleum paint, the glitter paint, so I'll try that, so be on the lookout for that. I'll include my hydro dipped ornaments on my website. Those I have left. I am selling some at a local event, so if you want to see what I have left, just check out my website, fantasticsteens.com. You can see more of my work there, and also by watching my other videos and following me on Facebook. And hopefully there's some left for you to have your own Nick Schweitzer Paint Fantastic Scenes with Nick hydro dipped Christmas ornament. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. Also, if you try hydro dipping Christmas ornaments, tell me about your experience. And if there's anything else you'd like to see me hydro dip, please let me know. Y'all take care. Thanks for tuning in. Peace. I experienced some wrinkling of the paint on my ornaments. I wasn't sure why. I didn't know if I had sprayed too much paint on the ornaments or if it was from the wind when I primed them in the garage. But all I did was use fine grit sandpaper to sand the wrinkles away to fix it. And then I re-primed the ornaments with the white primer spray paint. You can see what I'm saying in the following clips. The next time I hydro dip Christmas ornaments, I'm just going to use the plain clear glass bulbs, unprimed. I'm just going to rough the surface of the bulbs with a coarse grit sandpaper before I hydro dip them.